So this update is regarding the messages package that we have implemented in Surgy and the prompt generation package. So let's look at the message generation package. We know that Surgy relies on agents listed here, and these agents mimic the real world entities and how they interact with each other. Now, let's take an example that a user gives the coder a problem statement. So the message of problem statement is an outgoing message for the user, but an incoming message for the coder. Now, the coder could ask follow-up questions to understand the problem statement better. So in that case, the question becomes outgoing message for the coder and an incoming message for the user. And then user can answer uh, those follow-up questions. So again, the answers would become the outgoing message for the user and the incoming message for the coder. Similarly, the agents here are also using messages, standard messages, message protocol to communicate with each other. Now let's take an example of a sample message. So the protocol implementation of one particular message looks like from address, like who is the sender, to whom this message is addressed, what is the action that is expected uh, out of this message, and then the details of the message. Now, similarly, there are multiple messages, and more than one messages are either incoming messages or outgoing messages for each of these agents. So this is the first update. The second update is on the prompts package. Now, we have created this package to create a standard implementation for from prompt generation. Um, every prompt would have an intro, which to start with. Then, what are the roles of a particular agent would be defined. We know that agent can interact with multiple other agents. So the list of all those agents would be listed here. The agent can perform certain tasks, so that detail would be shared with this agent, that what the other agent can perform. And in order to communicate to the other agent, we have given a list of messages. What are the incoming and the outgoing messages uh, allowed to interact with other agents. Now, the code implementation for both these packages is inside the prompts folder and the messages folder in the Surgery directory.